In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new account in your accounting system's chart of accounts. This process might sound a bit technical at first, but rest assured, it's straightforward and I'll guide you through each step clearly. Whether you're setting up your business finances or just need to add a new expense category, understanding how to navigate your chart of accounts efficiently is key to keeping your financial records organized and precise. To begin, you'll want to log into your accounting software and from there, navigate to the accounting section. Generally, this can be found in the main navigation menu, depending on the platform you are using. Once you're in the accounting section, look for the option labeled Chart of Accounts. This is a critical component of your accounting setup as it categorizes all of your financial transactions. Next, you'll see an option to create something new, often labeled as New or Add New Account. Click on that to start creating a new line item. This is where we decide what type of account we're going to add. In this case, we'll be creating an expense account. Expense accounts are used to track where your money is going, such as rent, utilities, payroll, and much more. Selecting expense as the type allows the system to properly categorize any expenditure you associate with this account. Now comes the task of naming your expense account. Try to choose a name that is descriptive and easily recognizable to anyone who might look at your financial statements. For instance, if you're accounting for office supplies, a name like Office Supplies Expense would work perfectly. Once you have chosen a name that clearly indicates the purpose of this expense account, you'll want to proceed to save your work. You might find a button labeled Save or Create, which will finalize the addition of this new account to your chart of accounts. By saving your new account, the system updates immediately, making it ready for you to start recording any relevant expenses moving forward. A quick tip: as you manage your chart of accounts, periodically reviewing and updating your categories can maintain order in your financial documents and align with your current business needs. Keeping your accounts organized ensures that when it comes time for financial reporting or auditing, everything is in its proper place. And there you have it. You've just created a new account in your chart of accounts. I hope this walkthrough has been helpful and has demystified the process for you. Make sure to subscribe for more accounting tips and tutorials. If you have any questions or suggestions for future topics, leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and happy accounting.